Imagine waking up every day, feeling energized and vibrant, knowing that your kidneys are functioning at their best. What if I told you that the secret to achieving this might lie in your diet? That's right. The foods you eat can significantly impact your kidney health. Some can even hinder your healing process. Recent studies indicate that certain dietary choices can either support or sabotage kidney function. For instance, a 2022 research paper published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that high sodium intake is linked to kidney damage, while foods rich in antioxidants can promote kidney health. In this video, we're going to uncover the 9 foods you must avoid to give your kidneys the best chance at healing. You might be surprised to learn which common items are on this list, so stick around until the end to discover actionable tips for improving your kidney health. Before we dive into the list of foods that can hinder your kidney healing, it's important to understand a few foundational concepts about kidney health. Your kidneys are vital organs responsible for filtering waste products from your blood, balancing electrolytes, and regulating blood pressure. They play a crucial role in maintaining your overall health. To support their function, it's essential to focus on your diet, particularly the types of foods you consume. One key concept to grasp is the balance between acid-forming and alkaline-forming foods. When your body is too acidic, it can put extra strain on your kidneys, making it harder for them to function optimally. Alkaline-forming foods help to neutralize this acidity, providing a more balanced internal environment that supports kidney health. For example, think of your body's pH balance like a seesaw. If one side is weighed down with too many acid-forming foods, such as processed snacks and sugary drinks, the other side struggles to lift, leading to imbalance. This is why it's crucial to choose foods that promote alkalinity and overall wellness. Throughout this video, we'll focus on specific foods that not only form excess acid, but can also be detrimental to your kidneys. Understanding why these foods are harmful will empower you to make informed choices for a healthier diet. Now that we have a clear understanding of the importance of diet in kidney health, let's explore the first food on our list that you should avoid if you want to support your kidneys effectively. 1. Processed foods. First on the list is something you might eat every day: processed foods. These foods are often packed with sodium, preservatives, and unhealthy fats. High sodium intake can lead to increased blood pressure and put unnecessary strain on your kidneys. A study published in Kidney International revealed that individuals consuming high amounts of processed foods had a significantly higher risk of developing chronic kidney disease. You might be surprised by this. The convenience of these foods comes at a cost. For example, a single serving of instant ramen can contain over 1,500 milligrams of sodium, which is more than half of the recommended daily limit. To support your kidney health, try swapping processed snacks for whole foods like fruits and vegetables. 2. High sodium foods. Next up, we have high sodium foods, which are closely related to processed foods, but deserve a special mention. Items like canned soups, salty snacks, and fast food can drastically increase your sodium intake. Research has shown that excess sodium can lead to fluid retention and hypertension, conditions that can ultimately damage your kidneys. Think about it this way. Every time you consume salty foods, your body has to work harder to excrete that sodium, putting pressure on your kidneys. A practical tip: opt for fresh herbs and spices to flavor your dishes instead of reaching for the salt shaker. 3. Sugary beverages. Coming in at number 3 are sugary beverages. These drinks, including soda and energy drinks, are loaded with added sugars that can lead to obesity, diabetes, and ultimately kidney damage. A study published in Diabetes Care found a strong association between sugary drink consumption and an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes, a major risk factor for kidney disease. You might think, I only have one soda a week, but even occasional sugary drinks can add up. Try replacing these beverages with water, herbal teas, or infusions of fruits and herbs to keep yourself hydrated without the added sugar. 4. Red and processed meats. Fourth on our list is red and processed meats. While they can be a source of protein, these meats are also high in saturated fats and cholesterol, which can contribute to kidney stress. A study in American Journal of Kidney Diseases found that high consumption of red meat is linked to a higher risk of developing kidney disease. Consider this: a typical hamburger contains not only high levels of saturated fat, but also harmful compounds formed during cooking, which can exacerbate kidney damage. For a healthier alternative, incorporate plant-based protein sources like lentils and beans into your meals. 5. Dairy products. Number 5 is dairy products. While dairy can be a good source of calcium, many people consume it in excess, leading to high levels of phosphorus. Research indicates that high phosphorus levels can lead to kidney damage over time. You might be surprised to know that many individuals are lactose intolerant, which means their bodies struggle to digest dairy. If you suspect you might be one of them, consider alternatives like almond or soy milk, which can provide similar nutrients without the added strain on your kidneys. 6. Fried foods. Sixth on the list are fried foods. These are not only high in unhealthy fats, but can also lead to obesity and heart disease, factors that indirectly harm kidney health. Studies have shown that a diet high in fried foods can lead to chronic kidney disease over time. Imagine this: every time you indulge in fried snacks, you're not only increasing your fat intake, but also the potential for chronic health issues. A simple switch to baking or grilling your foods can drastically improve your diet while still satisfying your cravings. 7. High phosphorus foods. Next up are high phosphorus foods, such as cola drinks and certain meats. While phosphorus is essential for bone health, excessive intake can lead to elevated blood phosphorus levels, which can harm your kidneys. You might be asking, how do I know if I'm getting too much phosphorus? Keep an eye on processed foods, as they often contain additives that can increase your phosphorus intake without you even realizing it. Try to balance your meals with fresh fruits and vegetables to maintain healthy phosphorus levels. 8. Refined carbohydrates. Eighth on our list are refined carbohydrates. These include white bread, pastries, and sugary cereals that can spike your blood sugar and lead to insulin resistance, a precursor to kidney damage. Think about the last time you had a donut with your morning coffee. Those empty calories not only add to your waistline, but can also put your kidneys at risk. Opt for whole grains instead, as they can provide essential nutrients and help maintain stable blood sugar levels. 9. Alcohol. Finally, we have alcohol. While moderate drinking may not harm most people, excessive alcohol consumption can lead to dehydration, liver damage, and increased blood pressure, all of which can negatively impact your kidneys. Consider this: a night out with friends can be fun, but think about the toll it might take on your body, especially if you're not drinking enough water. If you choose to indulge, aim for moderation and balance it with plenty of hydration to support your kidneys. In summary, the foods we consume play a critical role in maintaining kidney health. By avoiding these 9 foods, processed foods, high sodium items, sugary beverages, red and processed meats, dairy products, fried foods, high phosphorus foods, refined carbohydrates, and excessive alcohol, you can help support your kidneys and promote better overall health. So, what's the key takeaway? It's all about balance. While it's okay to enjoy your favorite treats occasionally, making conscious choices about what you eat every day can lead to significant improvements in your kidney function and overall health. To begin your journey toward better kidney health, start by incorporating more whole foods into your diet. Focus on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. Not only will these choices support your kidneys, but they'll also enhance your overall well-being. Have you noticed any of these foods in your daily diet? Or perhaps you've experienced symptoms that made you wonder about your kidney health? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about kidney health or other nutrition tips, don't forget to subscribe for more informative content.